Hello and welcome to another Nexus Digital tutorial. My name is Brady, and in today's video, we're going to walk you through the setup process of connecting your Google Analytics or your Universal Analytics account to the back end of your Shopify storefront. And with that said, let's get started. Okay, so once you're online and you've logged in through your browser, you're going to go to your Analytics account. Make sure you're logged in, and along the bottom left-hand side, you're going to see that admin button with the gearbox. You're going to want to click on that. And in the middle section of your property, you're going to see a section that says tracking info. You're going to click on that, and you're just going to navigate to the tracking code section. Now, in some instances, depending on your Shopify account or what version you have, you should be able to just grab the UAID and copy that. But just to be safe, we're going to grab the entire global site tag. You're going to copy that. And you're going to go into your Shopify account. You're going to navigate along the left-hand side to your online store. And at the bottom, you're going to see preferences. You're going to want to click on that. And right underneath, you're just going to see Google Analytics. And it's pretty easy. You're just going to go paste the tag in, head up to the top, and click Save. And you can see that my settings have been saved. And I'm just going to scroll down just a little bit further here. And you're going to want to make sure that you use the enhanced e-commerce and you have that in place. And you'll see right away that the UAID is automatically in. And there you have it. You've successfully taken your Google site tag, you've put it into the back end of your Shopify account. It's been accepted and recorded because now you're seeing your UAID, and now you're able to go into your Google Analytics account and start setting up goals if you're running any kind of promo through Google Ads or YouTube or whatsoever that can start tracking those conversions to help optimize for your e-commerce sales. In addition to that, now if you're running any other kind of promo that's going to your main site, you won't get that bounce or that drop off when people go from your website to your Shopify e-commerce store. Now, I hope this was a helpful video for you. For other tutorials just like this one, please visit us online at nexusdigital.co, check out our resource section, or visit us on any of our social channels, including YouTube, for other tutorials just like this one. Drop a comment, let us know what you're struggling with, what you need help with, and we'll be happy to post something up there for you. Thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you next time.